are pleased to show you the 2017 Audi S5. The muscular sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.